Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android to Realme C15. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing an app called CLONEit. After that, open it on both of them. Tap Allow and Agree. I have to go with Sender on an Android because I want to send my files from it and allow access to my device location. Then we have to wait for the other phone. Click Allow. Agree. And go with Receiver because I want to receive all of my files. Also give access to location and search. Now tap on available device and you have two ways to connect. You can scan a QR code or input password. I will go with scanning, so I have to tap, allow and scan. Click OK to connection request. And normally if you want to transfer all of your files, tap on all of the options, but it would take a lot of time, so I will click here to choose details, go with music and go for example with Kiza. Okay, so now I have to tap start, OK and finish. When I open music and wait a bit, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!